Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Java 42 and it's a heavy competition in the market for Royal Enfield vehicles. So let's see the walk around video, what are the specification of this vehicle. So first, see the headlight. So no LEDs and no DRLs in the bike, and only a halogen bulbs. So nothing much difference from the Royal Enfield vehicles, and nice design, unique design, retro design I can say. And in detail you can see the Java written here. Yeah, in detail you can see the Java written on the headlights, very detailed, and chrome finish on the headlight. So once again, nice chrome finish touches on the vehicle. It's attractive design. And coming to shock absorbers, front as a telescopic shock absorber, and very nice design, dual tone treatment paint finish of the shock absorbers, nice telescopic shock absorbers. And see the massive disc size. The disc size of this vehicle is 180 mm of disc size at the front, and tire is also very nice MRF tires. But disappointing me is not a tubeless tires like Royal Enfield vehicles, and the profile of the tire is 90/90 18 inches. So these are 18 inches tires, and color on this vehicle is very nice colors. So attractive design, bi-brick disc at the front. So again disappointing, no alloy wheels, only a spokes. Once again retro finish and with retro touch on the tires we can see. So coming to here you can see the radiator of the vehicle. So it's a liquid cool engine, obviously we know that. So this is a radiator at the front, very nice finish, nice design. And here you can see the liquid cool capacity of there. In detail you can see in green color liquid. And key placement of the vehicle is here, side position, again disappointing, why not on the handlebars? So it will be some easy, but it's a retro design, obviously we know that. And coming to the side, see the profile of the tank design, Java written on the tank, very nice, 3 lines and golden finish of the tank, nice paint finish, handmade design, and very nice again from the older generation to modified and refined engine, refined design, and obviously excellent design, I can say excellent engine, refinable engine. And this is the engine placement, Java written on the engine, silver treatment, black gothic black finish, and here you can see the chrome treatment of cylinders of engine, and again Java written here, lot of Java written on the vehicle. And this is a 297cc engine at 26 bhp of power at 27 Newton meters of torque, no RPM given by Java. So here you can see the design of rear brake, very nice rear brake pedal, very nice attractive design, nice finish of design, cross cuttings are very nice, and chrome treatment is very nice. You should be very careful of chrome, you should be maintained. And this box here you can see, this box is for some fuse plugs. And coming to the silencer, see the twin exhaust of this vehicle, one of the attractive feature we can say. So this is a twin exhaust, one is this, another is the another side. And nice finish and feedbacks, nice fit and finish of vehicle, nice plastic finishing and nice quality of plastic used in this vehicle. And metal quality is also very nice. Lightweight motorcycle, I can say almost 30 kgs lesser than Royal Enfield vehicles, and I think much difference of 30 kgs. And see the shock absorber at the rear, and this is a shock absorber, monopoly shock absorber at the rear, and gas filter on the shock absorber here you can see, very nice. And this disc size is 130 mm of disc brakes at the rear, and also ABS on this vehicle, dual channel ABS provided of this vehicle. From it has been changed some touches of the ABS system and some other features from last year to this year in 2021. So this is 2021 bike, and this is a rear tire. Again, the profile of the tire is very nice. 120 80 17 inches tires, again very nice MRF tires, and again no tubeless tires at the rear, and sport wheels are obviously at the rear. And this is for oil at the rear brake, very nice treatment, very small I can say compared to other bikes. And here you can see the foot pegs at the rear. This is a rear foot peg, and nice quality, build quality of design and grab finish of rubber finishing. And in detail you can see again written and Java on the foot pegs, also lot of Java written on this bike. So coming to the rear, this is a taillight, very small taillight, and LEDs on taillight, again nice feature. So only on taillight we get LEDs, and this is the indicators, very small treatment and chrome treatment on the indicators, nice touch. And here you can see the number plate placement is very low and retro design, again we can see it from older generation. And again in detail here you can see the light placement of number plate, very nice at down. This is the position of light, and here you can see the reflector, again very unique design I can say overall. And here you can see 42 written on the rear, not at all written anywhere on the 42, only at the one they have written. And seat size is smaller size I can say. So compared to Royal Enfield vehicles, seat size is smaller, and it's a single seat piece, so single piece seat I can say, single seat. And compared to pillion seat is very small. See now the position of the pillion seat is very small, very difficult to sit, and for long rides and for long journeys it's very difficult. And holder of seat very nice. And coming to other side, this is a chain drive system, and lot of complaints of chain drive lubrication is problem in this vehicle, cruiser vehicles. So foot pegs are nice, quality of foot pegs very nice. And the ground clearance of this vehicle is again disappointing, and some problems with the ground clearance I can say. Twin exhaust will touch at the higher speed breakers. And 1929 batch written on Java original here. So on the engine placement, chrome treatment. So overall nice fit and finish. This is the gear pedal, in detail you can see, easy to handle and maneuver it. There is a side stand, and dual stand is placed here on the silencer, twin exhaust, and very difficult to handle. So lot of difficulties of this design. So coming to the fuel tank design, here you can see very nice, and the fuel capacity of this vehicle is 14 liters, massive enough. Coming to the handlebars, horn placement is here, indicator is here, high beam and low beam pass light switch, and slippery clutch. And clutch of the quality of this vehicle is excellent I can say. So see the aluminum finish of clutch pedals and brake pedals. The pedals of this clutch and brake are excellent I can say, nice fit and finish of quality is very nice, I have impressed. And chrome treatment of fuel lid, nice again. So here you can see. So on the other side here you can see the engine kill switch and engine startup button at detail. So nice pedals, I like impressed very much of these pedals. And coming to the instrument cluster, full 5 on offer. So here you can see the odometer, a small digital meter on instrument cluster, and neutral indication, fuel indication is given here, and this is a fuel indication level of here. And this is the speedometer, no RPM meter in this vehicle, and also Java has said no RPM meter in this vehicle. And overall nice fit and finish. Here you can see completely over space some, but shock absorber size of front telescopic are very nice. So this is a round sporty design of instrument cluster, and Java written on detail here, lot of Java written on this vehicle. So overall nice colors of this vehicle and nice treatment. And this here you can see in detail front mudguard of holders, nice fit and finish again. So number plate placement is here front. So to the rear, see the drum size of the rear tire, very nice design, and see the grab rolls of the rear, and very nice aluminum finish, and fit quality is very nice, and overall good, I can say good design. So here you can see the size of tire and the body level, and it's decent enough of size of that. And here you can see in shock absorber detail ball of rear in yellow finish. So yeah, and overall this is a walk around video of Java 42. So now we won't get test drive vehicles in Hyderabad. It's very difficult year ending, sorry for that. I will be done soonly review of test drive of Java 42. So if you like the video, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.